Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Pitaka MagEZ Slider 2 Pitaflow, and this is a 3-in-1 wireless charging stand with a detachable 7.5 watt Magsafe power bank. So if we scroll down right here, here is the Magsafe power bank, and this part right here that sits on your desk, it actually can rotate, so that's kind of fun. It has a USB-C port right here, and the rotating item right here, and then you can peel this off and stick it to the desk. Here is the USB-C port that comes with a USB-C cord to charge this, and that will charge this. This is Magsafe compatible. There is a button hidden right here that you can press, but we'll show you how this works. 4,000 milliamps, it just slides right out. And if you're wondering what this accessory is, it's the Pitaka power dongle for the Apple Watch, and we'll show you how that works in conjunction with this battery as well. Also with the stand. So this part comes off. It has magnets that snap into place, so we'll just take that off in preparation. This is MagSafe compatible, but it's also QI enabled. And there we go. We're charging the iPhone that has QI, but also this works all the way from the iPhone 12 with the MagSafe all the way up to iPhone 14 Pro Max. And because it has, you can see the lights right here with the charging level. Because it has this USB-C port on the bottom that also connects to the desktop unit right here for charging, you can plug this part in right here. So if you're on the go and want to charge. Now this has just enough power for this or this, not both at the same time. And then I have my Apple Watch right here. And then we just slide it onto the wireless part right there. In just a few moments, now we're charging the Apple Watch. So you can do the phone here, QI devices, you can do headphones on here, and then you add this power dongle for Apple Watch, and you can charge your Apple Watch. It says it works for all versions of the Apple Watch that's available right now. So once you take this off and then detach this, it's back to being just a normal battery. And that's it. You've got the power right here. You've got 4,000 milliamps. You have the desktop unit right here. You can also plug this into the side for charging the Apple Watch once you have this plugged in to a power source. Because this is 3-in-1, you can charge your Apple Watch here on this magnetic surface, and then you can take this piece, put it on the back, and it sticks right there as a little ledge. And this part back here is wireless, so you can take your wireless charging earbuds and stick it right back there, and it will charge those on the back. Then you have your iPhone 12 all the way up to iPhone 14 Pro Max charging with the MagSafe battery here, and you have your Apple Watch charging right here, as you can see. So all of these two pieces, the MagEZ Slider 2 Pitaflow and power dongle for Apple Watch, will work with the battery and with this desktop unit right here. As you can see, this little ledge, it's just a small little piece that's magnetic, and it snaps right into the back like that. Very cool. And then they're hidden from view while you're charging your phone on your desk, and you can rotate it as well. I really like that. I also like that this is very easy to install. You just snap it in place. Everything's pretty much magnetic or USB-C. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.